Let us see in this video how to create a journal voucher for base currency. A journal voucher is an accounting entry used to record financial transactions that do not involve direct cash or bank movement in the company's base currency. It is primarily used for adjustments, accruals, provisions, reclassifications, or non-cash entries within the organization's books of accounts. This voucher ensures that all accounting adjustments are properly recorded in the base currency for accurate financial reporting and ledger balancing. Let us take one example. Party GL account, Smart Life Cycle and Traders, Expense GL account, Administrative charges. Amount in BC, 1,000 rupees debit in Party GL account, 1,000 rupees credit in Expense GL account, HSNR, SAC code 99854000. Tax rate 18%. Tax amount 180 rupees. Total amount 1,180 rupees. This slide shows the journal voucher workflow approval process, which consists of two levels, reviewing and approving. First, once the creator enters the details, the document is forwarded to the supervisor. Once the supervisor reviews the document, it will be forwarded to the manager, who will review and approve it. This is the overall workflow. Log in with the creator's username and password to create a journal voucher for base currency. Click the Login button. Click on Financials, then Transaction and Journal Voucher to navigate to the Journal Voucher screen. To create a journal voucher for base currency, choose BC in the journal voucher type and click the Add button. Choose the location ID. The unit will be updated automatically based on the mapped location. Choose the voucher date using the date calendar. The default prefix will be updated automatically. Choose the CF description. A cash flow code description explains the purpose of each cash inflow or outflow. It helps classify transactions under operating, investing, or financing activities for accurate cash flow reporting. Click the Save button. The narration will be updated automatically. If required, the narration field can be edited. Click the Add button in the Line section to add expense or party accounts. Choose the party account in the GL account description field. The party name will be updated automatically. Choose the CPC description. Click on Save. Click the Add button to select the bills. Click on Pending Receivables to select the pending receivable bills. Enter the received amount. Select the document and click OK. Click the Add button to add another GL account. Choose the expense account in the GL account description field. The CPC description will be updated automatically. Enter the amount in the TC field. Choose the type as credit. Click on Save. For a journal without tax, check the Create Journal checkbox, review the journal, and post the document. To proceed with tax, select the appropriate HSN or SAC code. The tax rate will be updated automatically. Click on GST Details. Choose the state code. The state description will be updated automatically. Enter the GST supplier name and GST number manually. PAN number is updated automatically. Enter the bill date using the date calendar and the bill number. The GST type updates as registered, and GST classification will update as local. Once all details are filled, click on Save to finalize the document. click the Create Journal checkbox. The journal has been created. To review it, click the View Journal button. The party account will be debited, and the tax and charges accounts will be credited. To forward the document, click the Post button. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the reviewer. Navigate to the reviewer's login. Click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen. To review the document, click on Detail. Once the document has been reviewed, click on Select, then Process and Forward. Choose the forward person and click on Process. The document has been forwarded to the approver. Navigate to the approver's login. Click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen. To review the document, click on Detail. Once the document has been reviewed, click on Select, then Process, and finally Approve. Click on Process. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.